Imagine waking up each day with a clear mind, fully present in every moment. What if those mundane routines transformed into profound experiences? Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful practice that can reshape how you interact with the world. Picture this, you're sipping your morning coffee, but instead of scrolling through your phone, you truly savor the rich aroma and warmth of the cup. This is the essence of mindfulness, being deeply engaged in the present. But how can we weave this practice into our busy lives? As you navigate through your day, from the moment you step outside to the time you lay your head down at night, countless opportunities for mindfulness await. Can you pause and fully experience the beauty of your surroundings? What if you dedicated just a few minutes to breathe and center yourself? These small adjustments can lead to significant shifts in your well-being. By cultivating awareness in everyday tasks, we unlock a deeper connection to ourselves and the world around us. So, as we delve into practical ways to embrace mindfulness, keep your mind open and your senses alert. The journey toward a more mindful life starts now. Basic mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness is a powerful practice that allows individuals to cultivate greater awareness and presence in their lives. One of the fundamental techniques is the breath meditation. This practice involves focusing your attention on your breath, observing each inhalation and exhalation without trying to change it. By dedicating a few minutes each day to this simple act, you can create a sense of calm and clarity. It's fascinating how something as natural as breathing can serve as an anchor for your thoughts, helping you to reconnect with the present moment. Another essential aspect of mindfulness is the observation of thoughts and feelings. This technique encourages individuals to become aware of their mental and emotional states without judgment. Imagine sitting quietly and allowing your thoughts to come and go, much like clouds drifting across the sky. By recognizing these thoughts and feelings without attaching to them, you can gain insight into your patterns of thinking and emotional responses. This practice can be especially helpful during stressful times, as it enables you to observe your feelings rather than react impulsively. The body scan practice is another effective mindfulness technique. This involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, paying attention to any areas of tension or discomfort. As you focus on each part of your body, you can consciously relax those areas, fostering a deeper connection between your mind and body. This technique not only promotes relaxation but also encourages a greater awareness of physical sensations, which is often overlooked in our fast-paced lives. It can be particularly beneficial for those who experience stress-related tension. Incorporating mindfulness into daily activities. Bringing mindfulness into your daily routine can transform mundane activities into opportunities for presence. One way to achieve this is through mindful eating. Instead of rushing through meals or eating while distracted, try to savor each bite. Engage all your senses, notice the colors, textures, and flavors of your food. This practice not only enhances your enjoyment of meals but also promotes healthier eating habits, as you become more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Another excellent way to practice mindfulness in daily life is through conscious walking. This involves paying attention to the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your breath, and the sights and sounds around you as you walk. Whether you're strolling through a park or simply moving from one room to another, being present during this activity can ground you in the moment. It allows you to appreciate the beauty of your surroundings and can serve as a refreshing break from a busy day. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily activities doesn't require extensive time or effort. Even small moments can be powerful. For instance, while washing the dishes, focus entirely on the sensations of the water, the soap, and the dishes in your hands. This simple act can transform into a meditative experience, allowing you to clear your mind and find joy in the routine. By infusing mindfulness into everyday tasks, you can create a more peaceful and fulfilling life. In summary, the techniques of mindfulness, such as breath meditation, observation of thoughts and feelings, and body scanning, serve as foundational practices for cultivating a mindful lifestyle. Furthermore, incorporating mindfulness into daily activities like eating and walking can deepen your experience of life. By embracing these practices, individuals can foster a greater sense of presence, clarity, and connection to themselves and the world around them. Incorporating mindfulness into daily activities. Incorporating mindfulness into daily tasks can transform mundane chores into opportunities for presence and awareness. Consider the simple act of washing dishes. Instead of rushing through this task, one can focus on the sensation of the warm water, the texture of the soap, and the sound of the dishes clinking together. By engaging the senses, the individual can create a moment of mindfulness, turning a routine task into a calming and grounding experience. This practice not only enhances the enjoyment of the activity but also cultivates a sense of peace that can extend throughout the day. Another example is cleaning the house. Rather than viewing it as a chore that needs to be completed as quickly as possible, one can approach cleaning with a mindful attitude. Paying attention to the movements of the body while vacuuming or dusting, noticing the smells of the cleaning products, and feeling the satisfaction of a tidy space can transform cleaning from an obligation into a meditative practice. This shifts the focus from the end goal of a clean home to the process itself, fostering a deeper connection to the present moment. Mindfulness can also be incorporated into personal grooming routines. Whether it's brushing teeth, showering, or applying lotion, these moments can be enriched by directing attention to the sensations involved. For instance, feeling the bristles of the toothbrush, enjoying the warmth of the water, or appreciating the fragrance of a lotion can make these everyday activities mindful experiences. This practice not only enhances well-being but also encourages a greater appreciation for self-care. Engaging in mindful movement, such as yoga or stretching, can further integrate mindfulness into daily life. These activities encourage awareness of the body and breath, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. Practicing yoga in the morning, for example, sets a positive tone for the day, allowing individuals to approach challenges with a calm and focused mindset. This integration of movement and mindfulness nurtures both physical health and emotional resilience. Lastly, even moments of waiting, whether in line at the grocery store or during a traffic jam, can be transformed into mindfulness practices. Instead of reaching for a phone or feeling frustrated, individuals can take a few deep breaths, observe their surroundings, and reconnect with their thoughts and feelings. These small moments can accumulate throughout the day, enhancing overall mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness at work. In the workplace, integrating mindfulness can have profound effects on productivity and well-being. Taking brief pauses for conscious breathing can help reduce stress and create a more focused mindset. For example, when feeling overwhelmed by a project, a simple practice of closing one's eyes, taking deep breaths, and focusing on the rhythm of the breath can bring clarity and calm. This practice allows individuals to step back from their tasks and return with renewed energy and focus. Meetings often become a whirlwind of ideas and discussions, but they can also be a breeding ground for mindfulness. Practicing active listening during meetings encourages participants to fully engage with what others are saying. Instead of planning responses while others are talking, individuals can concentrate on understanding the speaker's perspective. This approach not only fosters a more collaborative environment but also enhances creativity and problem-solving as everyone feels heard and valued. Mindfulness can also be applied during challenging conversations with colleagues. Approaching these discussions with an open mind and a calm demeanor allows for more effective communication. By focusing on the present moment and the feelings of all parties involved, individuals can navigate conflicts more constructively. This practice cultivates an atmosphere of respect and understanding, essential for a harmonious workplace. Moreover, incorporating mindfulness breaks throughout the workday can prevent burnout and enhance overall job satisfaction. Encouraging short, scheduled breaks for stretching, deep breathing, or even a brief walk can help employees recharge and maintain focus. These breaks can combat the often sedentary nature of office work and promote a healthier, more engaged workforce. Lastly, organizations can create a culture of mindfulness by providing resources and training for employees. Workshops on mindfulness techniques and the establishment of quiet spaces for meditation can empower individuals to prioritize their mental well-being. By fostering an environment where mindfulness is valued, companies can enhance productivity, creativity, and employee satisfaction. In today's fast-paced work environment, stress management has become essential for maintaining productivity and overall well-being. Mindfulness offers a powerful toolkit for navigating workplace challenges. By incorporating mindfulness techniques, employees can better manage stress levels, leading to a more balanced and focused work life. For instance, when faced with tight deadlines or demanding projects, taking a moment to practice mindful breathing can significantly reduce anxiety. Focusing on the breath allows individuals to ground themselves, creating a sense of calm that can enhance decision-making and creativity. Moreover, mindfulness encourages a proactive approach to stress. Instead of merely reacting to stressful situations, individuals can cultivate awareness of their triggers. This awareness can facilitate healthier responses to stressors, whether through taking a brief walk to clear the mind or engaging in a short meditation session. By recognizing the signs of stress early, employees can implement mindfulness practices that prevent overwhelming feelings from taking over, ultimately contributing to a more productive work environment. In addition to personal strategies, organizations can support mindfulness initiatives by creating a culture that values mental health. Implementing mindfulness training sessions or workshops can equip employees with the skills they need to integrate mindfulness into their daily routines. When companies prioritize mental well-being, they not only foster a more resilient workforce but also enhance overall job satisfaction. Employees who feel supported in their mindfulness journey are likely to experience less burnout and greater engagement in their work. Another vital aspect of mindfulness at work is the creation of mindful breaks. Encouraging staff to take short pauses throughout the day for mindful breathing or quick meditative exercises can promote a more focused mindset. These intentional breaks can prevent the buildup of stress and enhance overall productivity. Moreover, when employees regularly practice mindfulness, they are more likely to approach their tasks with clarity and enhanced focus, leading to improved performance and job satisfaction. Ultimately, mindfulness in the workplace is not just about individual practice, it's about cultivating a collective mindset. By fostering an environment that emphasizes mindfulness, organizations can create a culture of support and understanding. When employees feel valued and equipped with tools to manage stress, they are more likely to contribute positively to team dynamics and organizational goals. Mindfulness and relationships. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in enhancing interpersonal relationships, both in personal and professional settings. One of the fundamental aspects of mindfulness in relationships is conscious communication. When individuals practice mindfulness, they become more aware of their words and actions, leading to more thoughtful interactions. This awareness allows for clearer expression of feelings and needs, minimizing misunderstandings that can arise from hasty or emotional responses. Additionally, mindful communication fosters empathy between individuals. By actively listening and being present in conversations, people can better understand each other's perspectives. This level of engagement helps to build trust and connection, essential elements in any relationship. When individuals approach conversations with an open heart and mind, they create a safe space for vulnerability, allowing deeper connections to flourish. Another vital practice is active listening, which is a cornerstone of effective communication. Mindfulness encourages individuals to listen without judgment or interruption, focusing fully on the speaker. This practice not only validates the speaker's feelings but also enhances the listener's understanding of the situation. By cultivating active listening skills, individuals can navigate conflicts more effectively, leading to resolutions that honor everyone's perspective. Creating moments of connection is also essential in nurturing relationships. Mindfulness encourages individuals to be intentional about spending quality time with loved ones, free from distractions. Engaging in activities together, whether it's a simple meal or a shared hobby, with full attention fosters deeper bonds. These moments of connection serve as a reminder of the importance of presence in relationships, creating lasting memories and a sense of belonging. In summary, mindfulness can transform relationships by promoting conscious communication, empathy, and active listening. When individuals commit to being fully present with one another, they create a foundation for deeper connections and healthier interactions. The practice of mindfulness in relationships not only enhances personal bonds but also contributes to a more harmonious work environment, where collaboration and mutual respect thrive. Tools and resources for support for those looking to incorporate mindfulness into their daily lives. A variety of tools and resources are available to provide guidance and support. One popular option is mindfulness apps, which offer a range of features, including guided meditations, breathing exercises, and progress tracking. These apps make it easy for individuals to practice mindfulness on the go, allowing them to integrate moments of awareness into their busy schedules. With user-friendly interfaces and personalized content, these tools can significantly enhance one's mindfulness journey. Books on mindfulness are another valuable resource for deepening understanding and practice. Many authors explore different aspects of mindfulness, providing insights and techniques that can be applied in various situations. From beginner-friendly guides to more advanced texts, these books cater to a wide audience. Reading about mindfulness not only informs individuals about its benefits but also inspires them to adopt practices that resonate with their personal experiences. Podcasts focusing on mindfulness and mental well-being are also increasingly popular. They offer an accessible way to learn about mindfulness practices and hear from experts in the field. Listening to discussions on mindfulness can provide motivation and practical tips for integrating mindfulness into daily life. Podcasts allow individuals to engage with mindfulness concepts while commuting or during other routine activities, making it easier to stay connected to their practice. Furthermore, joining mindfulness groups or workshops can provide a sense of community and accountability. Engaging with others who share similar interests can enhance motivation and commitment to practicing mindfulness. These groups often offer guided sessions and discussions that deepen participants' understanding and experience of mindfulness. Whether in person or online, these communities foster a supportive environment where individuals can share challenges and successes in their mindfulness journeys. In conclusion, there is no shortage of resources available for those seeking to cultivate mindfulness in their lives. From apps and books to podcasts and community groups, individuals have a wealth of options to explore. By utilizing these tools, anyone can enhance their mindfulness practice, leading to greater well-being and a more fulfilling life. As we wrap up our journey through the art of mindfulness, let's take a moment to reflect on how these practices can truly transform our daily lives. Imagine starting your day with intention. How would that change your perspective? By incorporating simple techniques like mindful breathing or paying attention to your meals, you can cultivate a deeper connection with each moment. Remember, mindfulness isn't about perfection. It's about progress. So, what small step can you take today? Perhaps it's dedicating just 5 minutes to observe your thoughts without judgment. Or maybe it's finding joy in your daily activities, whether you're washing dishes or walking to the bus stop. Think about the power of presence. How often do we rush through life, missing the beauty in the ordinary? By embracing mindfulness, you can transform routine moments into opportunities for gratitude and awareness. So, as you navigate your day, keep asking yourself, how can I be more present? What sensations or feelings can I fully experience right now? By doing this, you'll not only enrich your own life but also inspire those around you. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, every moment is a chance to practice mindfulness.